Hey, what's happening, everyone? This is Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And right now I'm really excited to show you this 1996 Corvette that we just brought in. Now this is basically, you're looking at a base coupe on the outside of it, but this car actually has the optional LT4 engine in it, which we'll get to in just a moment. But a 96 model with just 51,000 miles on it. Beautiful car. All original paint as far as I can tell on it. Brand new set of tires, brand new brakes, U-joints on the half shafts, all kinds of work and maintenance that's been done to this car to keep it in excellent shape. No apologies on it other than the mirrors. If you can see right here, and then somehow got a pretty good scratch on it right there. And I think a lot of this was from the cover being on it, but the rest of the car, as you can see, in really, really beautiful condition. It's got new headlight motors in it as well. And then another thing, the weather stripping here, and I have just ordered the weather stripping to replace that to go around the door windows. So that should be done. Hopefully they'll be here by next week. But car runs and drives beautifully. Clutch feels great in it. The wheels, let me see, I'll show you the left front. That one is the worst of the four. As you can see, the finish is a little messed up, and I'm not real sure what you can do about that. They really don't polish out. Go to the inside of it. Door panels are nice and tight. They're not pulling off from the door at all. Carpet's in great shape. Seat belts are in good shape. And the driver's seat, the leather is all original and in really good condition. No heel marks worn into the floor or the carpets. And again, as I said, 51,198 miles on it. No lights on the dash. All the lights work. Radio works. AC is on and blowing cold. The center console is in nice shape. It's not scratched up and beat up, as well as the armrest. Both the power seats work. In here, okay, we've got the other keys. I know the tool for the roof is in here. Yeah, there it is. And then there's another set of gears for the headlights. These are all the maintenance records since the last owner has had it. He's had it since 2017. The car cover that he purchased, that does come with this car. Skip shift eliminator, upgraded to the Bilstein shocks on all four corners. Of course, the BF Goodrich tires, and like it says here, as per build sheet for size. New radiator, new upper and lower hoses, all fluids changed. But yeah, I mean, just very well maintained car. So all of that stuff is here. I do also have the owner's manual, but I left that in the shop. It is in its leather cover. As you can see, the weather stripping on the back window is in good shape. This isn't broken off like most of them are. I doubt that this cover has ever been pulled out. And as I mentioned, the LT4 is what powers this car. 330 horsepower. Sorry for my moving around here, but I'm trying to make sure that I show you everything on this car. Headlights move smoothly. But either way, all in all, it is a nice car. It is just 51,000 miles, and it is available here at Holiday Motors, Portsmouth, Virginia. 3203 Victory Boulevard. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com, and you can call or text us directly, 757-487-7333. Thanks for watching as always. We look forward to hearing from you.